Today's video regarding HP Officejet 8010 series printer. I'm going to show you how to replace the ink cartridges. Now the first step is to switch on the printer, and the ink cartridge chamber door is here, so simply open it and you have to lift this section until it holds itself here, and the ink cartridges are here. So simply go to the ink cartridges chamber. It's very easy to remove these cartridges from here. There is a lock here, so just push it and you will see the ink cartridge comes out quickly. So just do it for all the ink cartridges one by one. And to install the new ink cartridge, simply place the ink cartridge here. Just match it with the color, and also you can see the alphabets. Once it's in its place, press it down, it will lock itself. So it's very easy to install. Simply have to place it properly. And the black will go this side. So once you install the ink cartridges, just push the door down and it will go down itself and it closes. Also close the main screen. You can go to the display panel to see if the inks or cartridges are installed properly, and it will show up all the details here. So this might take few times, so you just have to wait for the printer to show up the details. So this way we can easily replace the ink cartridges in this printer, and you can see printer is ready for the work. Thanks for watching.